Hello everyone. Now we'll do exercise 6.2 of class 8. Okay. First question is find the square of the following numbers. Okay. Like number is given to you. The first one is 32. आपको 32 का स्क्वायर करना है. Generally what we do when we have to find square of 32, we do 32 multiply by 32. Whatever answer we get is our answer. ठीक है. But here we are having some shortcut method, so we are not supposed to do directly multiplication. ठीक है. इससे easier method we are having. What we have to do here, like 32, first of all we'll split this. ठीक है. 32 we can write 30 plus 2. Square was there, so we have put it square. Now you can use identity. A plus b whole square. A plus b whole square is a square plus b square plus 2ab. ठीक है. Here when you'll compare, the value of a is 30 and value of b is 2. Okay. So here we got value of a and value of b. Now we'll use this identity and we'll put value here. ठीक है. Now a square, that is 30 square, b square is 2 square, 2 a is 30 and b is 2. ठीक है. Now when you'll do square of 30, 3 3s are 9 and square of 0 is 2 zeros. ठीक है. Then 2 square, 2 2s are 4. Then when you'll multiply this, ठीक है, 2 2s are 4 and 4 multiplied by 30 is 120. Now simply you just have to do sum of these number. Okay, when you'll do sum, you'll get 1024 is answer. Okay, so by this way you have to find square of the number. ठीक है. Then second part is 35. Same way we'll do. ठीक है. Same way 35 square, again we'll split this 35 by 3 plus 30 plus 5. Now you'll use identity. A plus b whole square, this is a square plus b square plus 2ab. ठीक है. Now by doing comparison, you can see value of a is 30, value of b is 5. ठीक है. Now we'll put our values in this here. Okay. So a square, that is 30 square, b square, that is 5 square, plus 2ab, that is 2. Value of a is 30, multiply value of b is 5. ठीक है. Now simply when you will do square of 30, that is 900, 3 3s are 9, again square of 0 is 20. 5 square, that is 25. Now 2 5s are 10, 10 multiplied by 30, that is 300. ठीक है. Now simply you just have to find sum of these numbers. ठीक है. So when you'll do sum, you'll get 1 2 2 5, that is 1225 is your answer. Okay. Now third part, 86 square. ठीक है. Again we'll split this 86 by 80 plus 6. Same way we'll do. Again we'll use same identity, a square plus b square plus 2ab. Okay. Here value of a is 80 and value of b is 6. Now we'll put our values in this identity. 80 square plus 6 square plus 2 multiplied by 80 multiplied by 6. Okay. 8 square is 8 8s are 64. Again 0 ka square, 2 zeros. 6 square is 36. Now 2 6 are 12. 12 8s are 96 and 1 0 is there, so again we'll put 1 0. Again we'll find its sum, so you'll get 7396, that is 7396 is our answer. Okay. Students, by same way you can do remaining question of question number 1. Okay. Now we'll see question number 2. Write a Pythagorean triplet whose one member is 6. ठीक है. So students, for Pythagorean triplet we use this. ठीक है. Pythagorean triplet is what? 2m, m square minus 1 and m square plus 1. ठीक है. Now one of its member is given to you is 6. So let's suppose 6 is 2m, let 2m is equals to 6. Okay, means here the value of 2m is 6. So let 2m is equals to 6. Now when you will find value of m, when you transpose this 2, तो ये m के साथ किस में है, मल्टीप्लाई में है, तो कहाँ जाएगा, डिवाइड में. ठीक है, नाउ 2 3s are 6. So you got m is equals to 3. So now you got value of m. अब आपको क्या फाइंड करना, 2m ऑलरेडी यू आर हैविंग 6. Now remaining member, that is m square minus 1. m square minus 1, here m you got 3. So 3 square minus 1. Now 3 square is 9 and 9 minus 1 is 8. Okay. Then third one, m square plus 1. Okay, m square plus 1. Again 3 square plus 1, because value of m was 3. Okay, in this question. So 3 square is 9. 9 plus 1 is 10. So 2m. So now we'll put here in this Pythagorean triplet. So 2m was 6. Now m square minus 1 we got 8, and then m square plus 1 we got 10. So our answer is in bracket 6, 8, 10. Okay, like this you have to do Pythagorean triplets question. Okay, then next part, question number part 2. Okay, here you are having value 14. One of its member is 14. So again let us suppose 2m is equals to 14. When you transpose this, 14 divided by 2, so m is equals to 7. Now remaining member, that is m square minus 1, m square minus 1. So m square minus 1, value of m is 7. 7 square minus 1. 7 square is 49, and then 49 minus 1 is 48. Then m square plus 1. m square plus 1, that is 7 square plus 1, because here in this question value of m is 7. Okay, so 49 plus 1, that is 50. So our answer is Pythagorean triplet is 14, 48 and 50. Okay, same way part 3. Okay, in part 3 16 is given. By same way you have to solve again. 2m is equals to 16. So m is equals to 16 divided by 2, that is m is equals to 8. Now we'll find m square minus 1 and then m square plus 1. Okay, m square minus 1, 8 square. 8 square is 64 minus 1, that is 63. And then m square plus 1, that is 64 plus 1, that is 65. So our Pythagorean triplet is 16, 63 and 65. Now last part 4 is 18. Again let us take 2m is equals to 18. So m is equals to 9. Then we'll find out m square minus 1 and then m square plus 1. m square minus 1 is 80 and m square plus 1 is 82. So our answer is 18, 80 and 82. Okay. So students, here we have finished this exercise 6.2. In our next video, we'll see exercise 3.3. Okay. Till then, bye. Take care.